So in case you didn't know, Blue microphones excel in, well, microphones, obviously. But today we're talking about the Compass Boom Arm. This is made specifically for microphones, theirs and others. So we're going to talk about the design, the setup, and how well Blue can or can't make their own accessories for their products. So what does a $100 boom arm from Blue get you? A nice sturdy aluminum build with its own internal springs. It can move 360 degrees. The arm itself can hold microphones and mounts up to 2.4 pounds. Has a reach of 32 inches. It uses friction hinges that can be tightened or loosened for, smooth motion and movement in order to get it to where you like it. You even got hidden cable management where you can, line your cable up. The only time you'll see it is when it's coming out of the mic, and that's about it. And works with all shock mounts, all on a C-clamp desktop mount. The setup is super simple. Just add the C-clamp to your desk, add the arm to it, adjust the arms with the knobs to get it to where you get it to your liking. Screw on the shock mount and mic. Fortunately, I just have the mic, I don't have a shock mount. Plug in, thread the cable through the funnel and cable management, and that's it. And if you want to remove it, you just pull the arm out of the C-clamp and it's gone. Easy to set up, easy to use, and easy to disassemble. This boom arm is a perfect addition to your setup. It's definitely good to have either on or off camera for your particular creative endeavors. Now you can grab a cheaper boom arm, but you'll have no cable management and deal with a lesser build quality. So there's like some $16 ones on Amazon. This boy right here costs $100. Blue does have, which we would recommend getting if you don't have all the parts, the Yeti Cast bundle. So with that, you would get this blackout Yeti USB mic, radius shock mount, and the Compass Boom Arm, all for $200. Separately, this would cost you an extra $100, $300. Blue did a good job with this. We're recording, as you can see, we're recording this whole thing on it. Yeah, if you're interested, make sure you hit the link below or link in the description. Check it out for yourself or order one. Thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. See you in the next video. Peace.